Hey, what's up guys? It's Caitlin back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do slime, and this is actually a really pretty easy tutorial. So, the things that you're going to be needing. Oh, I thought this would be hard at first. God, I'm wearing a sweater. So you're going to be needing glue, eye drops, shampoo, and glitter. And I'm going to be getting like a regular shampoo because this shampoo is like really cheap. You're going to be also be needing baking soda. What else? I need like a plastic container. I was using one the other day. So this was the plastic container I was using. It dried up and it's like jelly now. I guess I can reuse it then. Just gonna take this off. The trash. Ew. So, I guess I'm just gonna use this shampoo. Now I'll be right back. So I got the shampoo and let's just get started. So, glitter is optional. So I have my glue, and this is a really easy recipe actually. There's no exact measurements, but I'm sorry if the lighting's like really bad. Just gonna do the whole thing. I did this yesterday with like regular white glue and it worked, and then I did it with this one and it also worked. So it doesn't really matter which one you use. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm sorry for the glare. Okay. So I wasted the glue. I hate glue, it's so sticky. This is like good enough. Ew, 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 glue sticky. Okay, so when you have that in there, you're gonna put some, I really think we should move. Ew, 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 why is it sticky? Glue is so freaking sticky. We're gonna move here where there's better lighting. So let's go over the things we're gonna be needing while we're moving it. Eye drops, very important. Container with mixing, with the glue, you need the glue, baking soda, shampoo, and glitter if you want. So you're gonna get some baking soda. There's not an exact measurement. Okay, I wanna put that much. And you're gonna incorporate that inside the, if this is purple, then this is gonna turn out purple. But you're just gonna incorporate that into the glue. And I don't have a lot of glue, so, ew, I hate glue, I hate glue, I hate glue. So let me just go get napkins and more glue. Okay, so I got the whole napkin roll here. And there's like more glue in here. I can see it. I just don't know why it's not coming out. So I'm gonna try to get this whole thing out. Oh, I hate glue. Okay, here we go. There's like a lot of glue in here. Okay, there we go. I think I wasted the last bit of it. Okay, so, Mama! So now we're gonna put a little bit more baking soda, just a little bit, since I put a little bit more glue. And you wanna make sure you mix all of that together. Incorporate it really good and mix it really good all together. So when you have it all mixed good together, this is when you get the shampoo involved. Please say it's purple. It's purple. So you're gonna get not an exact measurement as well. You're just gonna put a little bit of shampoo. And hopefully it'll make it purple. Yeah, this is like my coloring. So you're gonna mix the glue. So right now, you just mixed the glue and you just mixed the glue and the baking soda together. Now you got some shampoo in there and you're gonna mix that all together. Now I'm gonna add some, so that was purple. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of, I keep wanting to say sprinkles, but it's not sprinkles, it's glitter. I don't know if this messes it up, but I've been doing it because I did the other one. And I didn't put too much. So mix, mix, mix. I didn't do a lot, but that's okay. So you want to keep mixing. This is where you're going to get the eye drops involved. So this is like the easiest recipe I found, like with household stuff. The eye drops is what's gonna make it harden up and stiff, and not make it sticky, so you can actually grab it. So I start off with 3 drops, and see if that's gonna work. See, it's like already working. I'll move you guys more front so you guys can see. Let me just over. Okay, so getting all up close and personal. So you guys are gonna start seeing when you start mixing it with the eye drops, it's gonna start clumping up. And shout out to you, Sayla, because you asked for this. So it's gonna start clumping up, and I'm gonna put 1 more drop in there, and just keep mixing. And you don't want to put too much, because what happened to me is that when I got it back out, I put too much eye drops and it just started getting like really wet. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so just keep adding eye drops, and I have 2 that I'm going to be using little by little. And you're going to see it's going to start clumping up like that, and it's going to start getting less sticky. So you want to keep checking it every time. See, it's not as sticky as when we started. Okay, we're going to put, oh my gosh. I left it outside. I left the knife outside. Don't do that, don't do that. And you just want to keep playing with it. Okay, so we're going to put, I'm sorry, the angle's really weird. 1 more drop, 2 more drops, I guess. Mix it. Okay, it's going somewhere. I think I put too much shampoo, but whatever. I want it to be more purple, or whatever. Touch it. Still pretty sticky. Oh, sticky. Drop it like it's hot. So this is probably going to take a while, so I'm going to go in time lapse. Here we go.
Mix. So what you want to do is keep playing with the eye drops and the mixture so it can harden, because the whole point of the eye drops is for it to harden or to clump up. See, it's what it's doing. It's clumping up technically, and the glue's getting it where it's slittering. If you have like a big family and you have like a lot of brothers and sisters and you don't want to waste something like this, I understand. I understand, Sayla, because I'm sure if one gets sick in your family, then it leads on and you have to use that, and it's worth it, because sometimes it works. Oh, that missed it. This is being so hard. It's like a lavender kind of color. Okay, we're gonna touch it. Still pretty sticky, so I'm gonna add some of this kind of eye drop. I see this working for everyone else, it doesn't work for me. Okay, great. Ew, there's glue right there on the sweater I'm gonna sleep with. Probably will take this off after my mom will wash it. I hate when I work with glue because it's so freaking annoying. Okay, we're just gonna go. Okay, 2 drops now. We got 2 drops in there. Oops, this is like getting there. It's getting there. It's still pretty much glue right now. And the thing is, glue goes everywhere. So let's see if I can avoid the glue outside. Much this time. Oh, okay. It just like came out. And it's still super. Oh, now super. It's getting somewhere. It's getting to the point that it's sticking all together. So that's good. It's so sticky though. It's good. Who hates putting in eye drops in your eyes? I hate it because it's so uncomfortable. See how it's like clumping up together, sticking all together. Yeah, that's a good sign. And when you pick it up, it comes up. Okay, so it's not getting that bad. So it's definitely getting somewhere. So this is the point that you want to pick it up with your hands and start kneading it. It might be gross, but don't worry. You want to keep the container so where you can just throw it back in there. Okay, this is probably not a good idea. But you want to put the eye drops in there while you're kneading it. I'm going to see if this works. Yesterday, it was super hard. I did a video, but it ended up being like 20 minutes. And this app only lets me upload videos that are 15 minutes or less, So keep putting in eye drops. I'm going to waste this whole container because it's getting so difficult. So don't worry if you get a little dirty, you can always wash it off. So you see how it's not getting, it's sticky, but it's not super duper sticky, like it's coming off pretty easily and it doesn't leave behind. That's a good sign. You just want to keep playing with it like that. Put a little bit more. Now that it's turning like that, you just want to do not that many eye drops. So I just did 1 squirt, or 1 drop. I just want to keep playing with it like that. And it should turn. What I do is, okay, this is how I knead it. I stretch it and I fold it. I stretch it and I fold it. Stretch, fold. 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's getting somewhere, definitely getting somewhere. It's still pretty sticky, so now I'm going to add like barely. And you don't want to put too much eye drops. Of course, like at the beginning, you want to put a lot of eye drops because that's what's going to make it get hard. But towards the end, when you... Mama! Oh, I can't. Towards the end, when you see it's getting somewhere, don't put as much eye drops because it will get too moist. And when it's done, it will squirt out a lot of eye drops. So this one I laid back in. I'm all done. And this is actually picking up all the other slime that when it wasn't dry. It's still going to be pretty sticky, but it's not going to stick to you like it was before. So this is a really easy method, and I think it's super worth it. One more drop? One more drop. Let's see if we'll make it a little bit less. Okay, I didn't put one more drop. I just put like half. Okay, this should be it. This should be it, guys. And even crackles, and you can crack it, you can rip it. It's like putty. You see, you can rip it, and then you can crack it because the air gets stuck inside, and you can even see the little air bubbles popping out. You see, it's cracking. Look at that. This one came out way better than the other ones that I did. So rip, or stretch, fold, and stretch, and fold, and stretch, and fold. Ooh, this one's stuck. Taking it all off, cleaning up my hands with it. This was a really good method, and I'm all done, and I didn't make so much of a mess. Oh, is this another part? No, this is one. No, don't get stuck to the paper towel. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here so it can sit, and then see if I can play with this small piece, because this is still sticky like glue, and I'll put like 1 drop of that in there and play with it. This is just so I can add it to that. There it goes. I'm gonna stick a little, okay, there it goes. This is so cool. This one came out really good. It's not too moist, it's not even that wet, and this one came out really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it came out as good as mine. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I hope the method worked for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you guys liked it, subscribe. And bye-bye!